Alright students, then next let's move on to the next module of today's lesson, that is mixture. Now what are mixtures? Mixtures are substances that consist of molecules of two or more substances, and these substances which makes mixture can be elements, compounds, or both elements and compounds in any ratio. There is no fixed proportion. In any proportion you add it, it will make mixture only, such that they do not undergo any chemical change. Means after you mix the content with the mixture element or compound, the result mixture which you get will not create any new substance. It would be like easily you can again get back the original form of it by physical means. Like if you make salt water, you add salt into water. Now by evaporation you can easily separate water and salt, right? So it is not making any new substance out of it. Okay, and see, mixture can be made up of elements, compounds, or both elements and compounds. Now consider air. What is air made up of? Air is made up of nitrogen, oxygen. These are all what? Elements, right? Then carbon dioxide, water vapor. What are these? These are compounds of carbon and oxygen and hydrogen and oxygen, right? So air is a mixture made up of both elements and compounds. Yeah. And muddy water, you add mud, soil, dirt in it, it becomes a muddy water mixture which you can separate by filtration, decantation, sedimentation, blah blah. Characteristics of mixture. Let's move on to characteristics of mixtures. The constituent in a mixture may be present in any ratio or proportion. It does not have any specific property of its own. Each constituent exhibits its original properties. A mixture does not have a fixed melting or boiling point. The constituent of a mixture can be separated by simple physical means. The constituent of a mixture may be present in any ratio or proportion. Now let's take this first example. Here you see it's muddy water, but the content of water is more, mud is less, more of mud is settled on the soil, above layer it is water. However, consider the next picture. It is dirty drain water mixed with lot of mud and dirt in it. So both are muddy water, both are mixtures, but the first one has different ratio of water mud, second one has got different ratio of mud and water. First one is more water, less mud. Next one is more mud, less mud, water. Next, it does not have any specific property of its own. Each constituent exhibits its original property. Now, when you taste salt, it tastes like sugar, sweet orange, right? No, it does not. It tastes like salty, so that's why it's salt. Now you go and taste seawater, which is mixture of water and salt. So will it taste like orange juice, fizzy cold drink? No, it will not. It will taste that salty only. So whether it be mixture or its constituent, it tastes the same. It exhibits the same property. A mixture does not have a fixed melting or boiling point. Now, water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. When you add salt in it, of course, it will increase from 100 degree to some other. And that will also even increase if you now suppose add 1 spoon of salt, it will boil at certain temperature. But if you add 5 spoons of salt, it will take even more temperature. It will require more temperature to start boiling. Okay. Next, the constituent of a mixture can be separated by simple physical means. Yes, now you take a mixture of sand and iron. Now you bring a magnet. Iron being a magnetic substance will easily get attracted to the magnet, and hence you can separate the granules of sand and the filings or the pieces of iron. It will get stick to the magnet and sand would be left behind. So that's about the introduction of pure substances, a mixture, their definition, examples, and characteristics. Please go through the videos and first do module 1 and then do module 2. Do it slowly, don't hurry. Please do not hurry. You have got time till next Thursday. That's it. Thank you. Stay safe, stay at home. Bye bye.